Nice. You see him?
Yeah. I can barely see his hand.
I'll tell you when he counts down. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Race. Let's do this. Let's go racing, Shane.
Yeah.
9:01. Here we go. Right turn.
Oh. Oh shit! Didn't think about that.
Right a little bit, yeah.
Huh?
That's straight.
Oh, is that another car coming?
What? Oh.
Well, I don't feel like
Turn.
Oh, turn?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Well, look how slow they're going.
Did you let me pass?
I don't know.
Is that...
That's the first. That was the guy in front of us. There's a turn, left turn coming up. It's gonna go to the right.
Fuck, dude. Are we on the wrong trail?
No. There's just 2 lines. Because there's a fence maybe they're talking about.
No, that's a big fucking truck. I was like, wait. Fuck me. Am I on the right?
You mean bump? Oh.
No.
Oh. 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 I forget that we have masks on.
Huh?
I forget that we have helmets on when the rocks come at you.
Still. I feel like that guy should have been in front of us.
Yeah. Oh, that was hard to see. Like a big truck.
Yeah.
fast, fast.
How embarrassing.
I was like, what's that triangle?
I thought you got to put out.
Oh, jeez. Oh.
This is 554 to 4 feet. Can you hear me? We have broken down the steering box. I don't know where my marker are, but we're broken down, 554.
Did it not show?
No. Oh, it did, I guess. Oh. So resume speed up here. I haven't seen that guy.
Ora feet, can you hear me?
It's 35 though?
You're going 25.
10-4, we can hear you. Yes?
You got like a 0.2 of a mile till it's open.
Adelante. Quebró la caja de dirección, no podemos dar vuelta para nada. Estamos en la milla, como entre las 7 y la 9, más o menos.
Welcome back to the race course. Fuck. Are they fucking passing? Oh, it's those guys.
The fuck is that car? Why are these high horsepower cars passing me?
Were they like late to the starting gate or something?
Maybe, which must suck because you're like, oh, I gotta pass all these idiots.
Yeah.
All these. Oh!
Shit.
Oh!
Whoa. Oh, that was both those cars.
Oh!
I think you cleared it. I hope you did. All right, but slow down.
Yeah.
Stop by left.
Dani,
Stop.
¿me escuchas?
You think you have to stop. Go.
Like a red light, green light.
Yeah.
Ora speed. A ver si alguien me escucha.
Creepy tree.
Yeah. And then they hung shit from it.
Should be like a slight right turn coming up. Oh, big route. Jesus.
Oh. Damn, some big fucking rocks.
go back left. I think after this straightaway, or like this section, we're coming up the pit too.
Whoa! I think I blew a tire.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Fuck.
I'm pretty sure. Let me get out and look.
I just undid mine.
That's fine. You can do it too. Yeah. Oh, they're getting passed by the Class 11 bugs.
What was that?
I don't know, that was a rock, but I think it was just a fender.
I would say it was Raul's, but it's not here. I didn't see his car at mile 8. Get right.
There's a car coming too. Go quickly. Yeah, peachy.
Now we get the shit.
Wow.
This is the pit up here. You make a sharp right, a 90-degree right, but I think the pit's on the left. Oh no, that's just Vegas. This is checkpoint 6, 2/10 of a mile, sharp right turn, 90 degrees. Here.
Shane, can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Okay, we're the last guys on the pit. We're gonna swap you out of tires.
Yeah, we got to turn.
Yeah, I want to swap out the front. It's flat.
Turn.
Okay, dude, you're doing really, really good. You're in 3rd place. The other guy just passed us a little while ago. You're in 3rd place, dude. So he's 5 minutes ahead of you. So you're doing really, really good, dude. You need water or anything, let us know.
Just a tire for now.
And I'm the last dude on the pit. Last dude on the pit road.
Wait, what do I got behind me?
Pits are like literally around the corner. Oh, I can't see.
Fuck.
Oh, we got a 35. I saw this.
Right now?
Yeah, I saw this. 28.
You said it was at the end?
He's the last guy at the end. I don't know how we tell where he is. There he is, right here. Woo!
What was that?
Is that doing good?
I need my water.
Open the door. She'll get it.
Can you hand me my Camelback thingy? No, there's a Camelback like
I'll take the next.
hose.
Nah, we're good.
Yeah. There you go.
We're good. You want the spray of the Camel or the Gatorade or no?
Oh.
Oh wait, there's a hole in that though.
In what?
Like the hub on his won't go through your hole.
Oh.
Oh, they're gonna bust it out.
Do you have that rag?
The what?
Rag. I just want to. Woo! Remember the front first.
Some big trucks out there.
Yeah.
Keep that rhythm, stay on the road.
Okay.
Water or anything?
I just got some. Yeah, it was about bounce into a big rock.
Hey, you're doing fucking awesome, dude.
Thanks.
Hey, you're in 3rd fucking place, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Hey, keep a good rhythm, stay on the road. That's all you gotta do.
Okay.
Hey, the car looks good.
We good?
All right.
Oh, buddy, go.
Thanks. Is this still 35?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No, go.
Is that a
You
truck
got a
coming?
couple trophy trucks behind you, so start looking out.
Yep.
You got a couple trophies.
Jesus. That's fucking insane. Shit.
Is it straight?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. It's like a fucking rooster tail. Gosh. You're still going straight. Gonna veer a little bit to the right. But it should be oh. I think it's not seeing. Whoa. Gonna bend to the left, and then in like a half mile after that, or it's gonna be like a 180-degree right turn.
Whoa. He was going really slow.
Yeah, must be broken. Left turn. Oh.
No!
Damn, Shay.
I don't want to kill more animals.
You're like two. You get 2 on your book now.
Go around me, please, quickly. Am I going the wrong way?
No, I think it's the same. But...
Okay. Wow, that looks really more smooth.
It's gonna bend a little bit to the left up here somewhere. Holy shit.
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh, fuck.
Can't really see the road.
I still can't see the road.
Truck's behind me. Shoot,
You
I
got some
can't.
rocks on the right, though.
Those sirens aren't very good.
No, I can't see it. Oh, shit. Oh.
Is this pit?
No, not yet. You gotta loop around and then go up the penis.
But I mean, you don't have to go slow here, do you?
No, we're not in the pit yet. We can't see. It's gonna go to the right somehow. I think we turn here.
Shane, do you copy?
Yep, I'm coming up at the top of the pits now.
You coming in?
Yep. Getting fuel.
And guns.
We're gonna check the lug nuts and put fuel in. Let us know if you need anything else. You guys want water?
I got some water, but I know the back driver's side lug nut is fucked up.
What's that? ¿Hiciste algo, Rulo, o no?
Show those white balls. Up there, he's waving straight ahead. Oh, on the mat? I am.
If you guys see Rulo at mile 8, give him this.
Okay. Hey! Can you check that back tire? I feel like it's low. Yeah, one of the lug nuts is fucked up on it. I only got 4 lugs. Yeah, I'm good. Can I hit chapstick?
Good.
Is it okay?
Yeah, that's good. Do you want Mountain Dew or water? I have ice cold water too.
That's okay. Huh? Oh, do you have that gun?
Impact?
Yeah. I need it. Give it to Aaron.
What do we do with this?
What?
It means we have to stop him out, eh?
It looks a little wobbly. It might hold
The what?
a tie rod. Alright?
Okay.
It looks a little bit, it's the bolt tight and everything, but it's just a little bit loose.
Okay.
A little bit of play. So if
What?
happens,
Oh.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
You got an extra one in the car, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What mile is
I don't
Rulo
think
at?
We don't need this attachment though.
8. I'll reset it and I'll go at 8.
Okay.
We don't need
They
this.
They gave you the packet?
Do we need this?
Okay. You guys are running good. You're in third.
Okay.
Do you want this?
No. Ow. Shit. One more time.
Anything else?
No, I'm good.
How you feeling? Good?
Yeah. Are we good?
Yeah, all good. You guys good with that? Yeah.
Ooh, that too. I guess so. Stop.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I was like, oh no. Okay, so mile 8?
Mile 8.
Okay. Yeah, go on that road. Because obviously this road sucks. Am I in the wrong road?
No, it's the same road.
Oh, this is bad. There we go. Is it a slow zone or?
What's that?
Is it a slow zone?
I don't think so. These are spectators.
Oh. Oh.
That sucks, because then we're not going to be able to see shit on this road.
Huh?
And we won't be able to see anything on this road.
Should we go this way? Yeah.
I have no idea. Damn it. Oh, the first 30 miles.
Yeah.
That was adjusted.
Hey, stay in your left, stay in your left.
Stay to your left.
Okay.
Yes, we are right there, right.
Oh, I see your
Right here,
triangle.
right here, right here. Hey, wait, right here.
Come to... Where's my button?
You're good? Good.
Oh, no wonder. My mask is up. A quarter mile or half mile. Gonna have
Just go.
woo! Oh god. That was close. And oh jeez.
Uh-oh. Any cars coming?
Now you're good.
Oh, that was close. Ah, fuck.
Who said this bit?
You're looking great.
I could have taken him.
I can. 34. Whoa.
No, I was trying to let that guy go.
But there's going to be a sharp right turn up here, checkpoint 6. I think I might be onto a road. Slow down. Oh no, they're driving. Flashing. Go left. Whoa.
Oh, there's a trophy truck behind me.
Oh.
I think. Oh, Class 5 Unlimited.
It's like we jumped a small bug and then they jumped us.
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa, these guys are on the middle of the road. Fuck.
Okay, I'm seeing you right here, baby.
Ew. There again.
Good speed, good speed. You are in second place, my brother, second place. Just to let you know, you got a good rhythm.
That wasn't too bad. Other than the dust.
There's going to be like a left turn, like not a crazy one, but coming up.
Okay, 569 race. 569 race, do you copy relay on your frequency?
Oh no, is that that's a buggy.
Yeah. Woo. Merge here.
Is there a truck on me or no? That's him.
That's who we just passed.
Okay. Larry? Hey Larry, do you got a copy?
I think we're up here where all these cones are. We're right here. Turn right here.
All right, Aaron.
Alright. What was wrong back there?
The spring plate broke.
The spring what?
Plate.
Plate? What does that do?
That's what was making all that noise back there.
What does it do?
It holds the whole rear end together.
Oh shit.
That bar was fucking disgusting.
Does it stop?
I don't know what that bar was, but...
I have another one. That's road crossing. Well, at least it's good to know that probably the trophy trucks are finishing right now, maybe?
Oh, maybe.
And then we won't have to worry about them, but I don't know if that's high hopes. Oh wait, no, because we only do 3 and they do 4.
Yeah, but he passes like 12. Yeah.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh. You're right. Oh. Once you hit the sand. Oh, maybe not. After the road, we were always like, oh, fuck. That looks like a bug.
There's a side-by-side, right?
I thought it was a bug. Oh, straight. Cool. Big rocks.
I don't know what else to do.
Yeah, good. Up on a left-hand turn. 90-degree right turn on top of this hill. What?
No, just shit. I feel like the trophy trucks make this worse each lap.
Yeah. Getting close. About 1/10 of a mile. About 3/10 to make another right-hand turn.
Aye, Captain.
Coming up. I don't know how we see lights ahead with the turn.
Just threw me off. I was like, why is he way out there?
Yeah, I was the same thing. You know, I don't know about this.
It's like a fine line. I can't stay on top of it because it's so soft. And they slide right back, and it robs power versus just digging into every fucking one.
Yeah, that's alright. You buy it. That's why you built really good skid plates.
Oh. Yeah.
Big rock. I feel like my neck is gonna be really sore tomorrow.
I think my whole body's gonna be sore. I feel like I'm like bracing myself this entire time.
Yeah. I've been trying to like get my legs to relax them because they're like stressed out.
Yeah, I've been having my left leg just planted the whole time. Oh.
left a little.
Oh, that one hit my head hard. That guy's still out here?
Yeah.
That sucks. They're like, doo-doo-doo.
There's a big left turn coming up in like a half mile.